Here's how you can hold a frame drum when you're using the whole hand style of playing. To hold the frame drum, if it has a notch here, that makes it more comfortable. And place the notch of the drum right here in the L-shaped part of your hand, right there in the crook of it. And then let the thumb lie flat. Coming around to the other side, your peace fingers. They curl around and then land on the rim. The rim is where the shell and the head of the drum meet. And then these two fingers can just rest right here beneath as added support. You're holding the drum with your non-dominant hand, which I call the second favorite hand, and you're playing the drum with your dominant hand, your favorite hand. Please like this video if you did, share it with your friends, leave a comment below, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you're notified of all the videos to come. Watch this next video to remind yourself how to hold your tambourine. See you next time, and until then, happy drumming!